We are. Now we're wrapping up the motherboards and and just preserving it for another day. Or yeah.
Yeah, I went to squeeze something and it's
So here we go. Ruthie's on it now. So looking pretty good. Zoom in to have a look. Yeah, nice. She's cutting up the Glad wrap. So I call this my bubble wrap. Glad wrap. She's scissoring this. Scissors this crap. Very nice. Very nice. Excellent. There we go.
What's the other TV?
There we go. Toshiba Panasonic. Toshiba. Bring that up here because we want to test it. Yeah, vai mate. O que te dai no nena. So this is our new. Zap is opening up our coconut. Very nice.
And move your leg over.
Oh, Toshiba. Can you look at this? Look at that. Okay. You see that there? It says what? Yeah, write it down.
Put in the coconut. How do you mean the coconut?
What made the new
I think
guys
that's
have?
$4.50.
Yeah. They buy two new. Two.
Two new.
That's $5.
And they 250.
That's $5, not $4.50.
Oh, you gotta pay 50 cents.
Never mind, it's fine.
I broke.
Too bad.
I broke.
Too bad, too sad.
But no touch it.
Wait. Power out.
Yeah, it's not.
No, we're gonna plug it in.
It's no dancing for you guys. Happy.
Happy.
It's no dancing for Mama.
Yeah.
So this is the Toshiba main board and the power supply
But they,
and the.
that's side.
I think this is used. This is the T-con here,
Yeah, I drink that.
and then this one here is. Jeez, I forgot it. But there's a name for it for sure.
This one is closed.
There.
Okay, do you see it?
finished.
You see on here?
Yeah.
Now that's yours.
If you go on the table there, look. If you go on the table over there, the big brick house, underneath you see another Toshiba. Have a look if that's the same number. 32 AV, is it? Or 4? What number is that?
Remember, you have the helicopter cheat. No. And you don't know the
A.
healing cheat. A.
Hmm?
I know both of
AV.
them.
Yeah, okay. AV 800 AZ. Go and have a look. If it's the same,
And if it is,
then sweet, we got something. Let's go.
I can never anything.
Let's go and have a look. Aratea! Sappy, come here. Hurry up because I need the wagon to move it out of there. Maru Maru. There. 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 Toshiba. Just have a look at the model number. Dude, did you just flip the sheet?
No.
Bring it up.
No, it's not this. Oh, wait a minute.
Might be a 40 or wipe it.
Oh, yeah.
It's the same.
Yeah, it's the same.
Bring it up. Bring it up. We're gonna take it over there.
And there's another one.
Yeah, these two. We'll bring both. Yeah, bring one for me.
Crack.
Where?
I don't know.
On the screen. No, the screens are good. See? Yeah, take that one first. Yeah, give me that one. Put it up here. That. This guy's doing the extension cord. What are you doing with Ezra? What does she want you to do?
He was telling me to do two and two with the tying up.
Oh yeah, just to tie
it.
it, just to get it all sorted, eh?
Yeah. I was doing it.
Yeah, here's the other one. Hey, can you look at that one? Ducky, get him. Holy hell, who cracked that one? Who decided to play ball with it? Motherfucker. Jeez. Man, forever freaking shit. Oh, goodness. This is deciding just to go run.
Yang ada na phone. Ang kata ya ada tayo manila di ba?
Yeah. Move that one somewhere for now. Move that one somewhere for now. Yeah. Turn that over. Where did that water come out from? Is that from my sweat or? Open that up. I think it's already open. Holy hell, that's the roads. Yeah. Okay, compressor.
No power.
No power. Oh yeah, there's no power.
Generator.
Oh, the generator is broken. It's like this. It's like butter. Who did that? You know, we have a
So this one works, but it's in black and white, eh?
Come on. Come on.
So this one here was my old TV, but look at it, dirty, and it still works. I did a capacitor job on this TV, me and Ephesians, back in the days, and it worked. And we were like, whoa. Oh yeah, here, I think here. And it worked. And we watched it for some time. Didn't even last a year. Then it just played up. Went black and white. Yeah. So that's the story with that. Hey! Leave that there. Is there any PG in it? Who tipped this chair over? Ja, goed toe. Yeah, it's no good then. no more delay on this, eh? Have a look. What do you think? All good, eh? Hmm?
Yep.
No more delay, eh? You know, slow, better. Hey, see that?
Have you taken that out on the road?
The what? No. Will probably be a mean delay, then I'll just have to put it on, because the faster you go, the faster the delay. Well, no, really, look. Look at that, Rudy. Hey, hey, it's good, eh? Hmm? It'll be good, eh? Sure, eh? So hello, this is Benji Def. He's like got nearly 2K followers. He's really good at that. But I told him to stop no more. Give me all his followers for me. Okay? Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Yo. Stop dragging me around. Oh, is that an extension cord?
Yeah.
Should we put it onto the roller?
No.
Change it. Oh, when it burns out, eh? How about that pump? Are we going to throw that away? More.
Hey, Vision. Hold your side.
Nice one, Angela. Oh, a grinder. Does it work?
Man, my back looking rotten.
Test it.
Once you go over there, Vision, walk like Sefted. That way.
What happened to that?
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Stop dragging me around. Ek a mam de po haia la tu. Me kanga de tamariki here, me kanga mai tamariki. That's all right. I'm done. Argue. Rudy, we can't do anything to the power on, man. To the power ons. Yeah. It's the same TV as that one down there. Toshiba. That board and this board looks older to that one and to that one and the T-Con. The T-Con has no cover there, but the T-Con here has one. Now we're doing the pipes. No, it looks really good now.
Clean those jets.
Oh no,
Gotta clean the jets.
you're bringing them out.
Well, look at it. Fuck, this is where I got them all from.
Oh,
When I took the jets out.
good one. Was it the whole floor wash, dude?
That's the cause of the flame not going high.
Mm.
Where's the fire?
No, we're gonna get smoky, and then we'll be like, hmm? Where's the napa?
Everything
No, there's no more.
in the fridge. I saw one this morning in the fridge.
Which one, the grey one? Yeah, I put it in there.
That thing looks ready.
No, it's hot ass. It's hot as rock. Whoa, whoa.
I'm getting moved back.